Hi guys, this is a quick video about thesis statements. So you will start with a topic and then you have to tell what it is you think about that topic. And then you need to have the word because and 3 reasons that you're going to prove whatever it is you're saying about the topic. So this is an example of a thesis statement. I put Michael Jordan is the best basketball player. That's what I think of all time because, and now I have to give you 3 reasons that I'm going to prove it. So I'm going to, within my research, go through my source, find reasons why I think what makes him the best basketball player. I will circle those reasons, and those will then become part of my thesis. These 3 reasons then get put into your body paragraphs, and that's where you use a quote from your source to prove them. So you'll have 3 body paragraphs, just like you have 3 reasons why. And these become your topic sentences when you go down into the TEE format. The 1, 2, and 3 will become the 1, 2, and 3 T topics for those paragraphs. So again, you need your topic. So maybe you chose the rainforest, what you want to say about the rainforest. So you could say the rainforest needs to be protected because, and then give your 3 reasons why. So it literally goes topic, what you want to say about it, because, and 3 reasons why. The hardest part about coming up with your thesis is going to be finding your reasons that you're going to prove. And that is what the whole point of your paper is to prove your point, which is what a thesis is. It's a claim. And then you have your 3 reasons why, and then those go in the body paragraphs. And you will simply find a quote and explain your reasoning, and that is the whole point of your research paper, to inform your audience. Thank you.